procedure to connect an Aranet base station to the internet using Wi-Fi is similar for both Aranet Pro and Pro Plus base stations. In the base station web interface, navigate to System. Select Network and then go to the Wi-Fi tab. The Wi-Fi access point allows you to connect to the base station via Wi-Fi without an internet connection. Switch from access point to client mode to connect the base station to the internet and access it remotely. Start by selecting your country. Select the name of your local Wi-Fi network. If the selected Wi-Fi network is encrypted, it will be indicated in the encryption field. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Most Wi-Fi routers have DHCP enabled by default, and we recommend keeping this setting for ease of setup. A static IP address setup is possible for advanced users, but it is not covered in this video. Write down the MAC address of the base station Wi-Fi interface. It will be useful when searching for a new IP address. When all information is entered, click Save. The web page will reload, and a new IP address will be assigned to the base by the external Wi-Fi router. If you are connected to the base using its Wi-Fi access point, your connection to the base will be lost. Now, connect your PC to the same Wi-Fi network as the base station, and wait till you see an LED indicator for Wi-Fi on the base station. Consult your network administrator about the IP address assigned to the base station, or use a network scanner such as Advanced IP Scanner for Windows or LAN-Scan for Mac. Please download and install the network scanner software. Here we are launching the scanner on Windows. Press IP button to select the range of network your computer is connected to, and press Scan. After the scanning, locate the MAC address you noted earlier. This MAC address will help you identify the correct IP address of the base station if multiple IP addresses are found. The address in the IP column is assigned to Aranet Base Station. Type this IP address into the browser URL field and log in to Aranet Base Station interface. Now the base station is successfully connected to the internet. Consider registering it to Aranet Cloud to remotely manage Aranet devices and analyze data from anywhere, anytime.